Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing another subscription box, and this is from Latest and Beauty. This is the Conscious Beauty Edit. This is their last month box because I chose this month at the end of the month. If you want to see what I choose in Latest and Beauty, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, lovelies, this is my third time filming. So yes, I'm filming few of subscription boxes because I received them at the same time. And also, if you hear some raining in the background, because it's raining a lot outside, which is not bad, isn't it? The sound is so relaxing. I don't really mind the rain, but if you hear it because it's raining a lot outside. Let's open my Latest in Beauty. So if you're new to this subscription box, it is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £12.95 plus the shipping fee, which is £3.95. On your fourth payment, you will become a Libro, which you will have a free delivery but also 15% off in their collection boxes. I hope I explained it properly, but all the info will be in the description box below as always. And every month you can choose 6 products in their beauty counter. Every week they will drop 5 products, and then yeah, you will choose 6 products from their drops. And yes, let's open it. It's very heavy this month because I choose 3 full-size hair products. So yes, that's why this box is really a big box, and it's very heavy. So let's start with the 3 products, the hair products that I choose. And this is from Maria Nila, and this is from the range Ecotherapy Revive Shampoo Micellar Detox Shampoo. So here we go. And they, as always, lovely, they don't put any booklet in here. So if you want to know more about this product, I did my lineup, and I will pop on the top here, but the price, lovelies, I always pop in here. And yeah, I have in the shampoo, I have also a conditioner one, and I have also the mask, which is all full size product. And this one, the shampoo has 350 ml, and it says this 100% vegan and certified organic shampoo is uniquely formulated to cleanse and hydrate your hair and scalp while protecting the color of your hair. By choosing this particular bottle made out of 100% ocean waste plastic, you have supported the work to clean up the world's oceans. 100% vegan and certified organic, 100% ocean waste plastic, botanical protein, sulfate, and silicone-free color guard complex. So we go. And then we have also the conditioner, which has 300 ml. And we have the mask, which is the 250 ml. And I tried Maria Nila before, that I got in my glossy box. I think it was like 2 years, and they are really good. So yeah, can't wait to try it. And I really heard good reviews about this item. So yes, these are the products that I was really excited to try. And then the other product that I choose, and this is from Natura Ecos Maracuja Triple Face Shower Oil. And as you know, if you follow me for a while, lovelies, you know that I don't really like the feeling of the oil. But yes, I really wanted to try it. And it has 200 ml, and it's a full size. And it says, we are vegan. We use fair trade biodiversity ingredients from the Amazon. We work with local Brazilian communities to keep the forest standing. And it says, enhance skin natural glow, leave skin feeling soft. Enjoy the Maracuja Triple Face Shower Oil, rich in essential fatty acid with an ultra-light texture that protects and delicately perfumes skin. Apply to the skin, shake, apply to the skin, and rinse. So yes, this is the 4th product that I choose. And then the next one I choose, and this one I'm really excited to try too, and this is the sunscreen capsule mask SPF 50 plus PA+++. Pop open a capsule to protect your skin from the sun. It has 7 capsules, and this is from Coco Star. And show you inside, lovelies. So it looks like this. It's like a heart shape, and you just need to take off this one here and then take off the liquid inside. So yes, it's really nice, really cute one. And this is a Korean brand, lovelies. So yes, made in Korea, and yeah, I can't wait to try it. I never heard from this brand, so that's why I'm really curious to try it. And the last product that I choose here from Smag, and this is the satin sleep mask. I know we had the mask from this brand before in our latest on beauty, but I missed that one. That's why I decided to get this one, and it's really cute, and it says love. And this one, it says the luxury Smag satin mask has been specifically created to give you the ultimate beauty sleep, known to provide benefits to both hair and skin, and the amazingly soft material reduces friction and therefore the appearance of wrinkles. Your immediate eye area is the most sensitive part of your face, and wearing a sleep mask at night can help protect your skin. It can help to reduce dark circles and slow the aging process. Rest, restore, and rejuvenate. Gentle on skin and hair, lightweight and super soft, perfect for travel and home. One size fits all. It's really a cute design too. That's why I chose it. So yeah, that's all for my latest and beauty, lovelies. As you can see, let's do a recap. So I have the Smag satin sleep mask. I have also the Coco Star sunscreen capsule mask. I have also the Maracuja from Natura Ecos 1200 ml. I have the 3 products from Maria Nila, which is the mask, conditioner, and the shampoo. So overall, I'm really happy with all the products that I choose this month. And you lovelies, what did you choose this month? Let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.